Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the time on an Audi A5. Start by switching the ignition to accessory and using the MMI knob or the steering wheel menu to access clock settings. Use the selector to choose time and then adjust hours and minutes with the dial or arrow buttons. Save changes before turning off the ignition so the new time persists across restarts. Access the MMI by pressing the main control button and navigate to Settings, then Clock Settings. Use the rotary knob to highlight hours and rotate to set the correct hour, then repeat for minutes. After adjusting, choose Confirm or Save so the system stores the updated time. This method works reliably for most Audi A5 trims with an MMI screen and keeps the display synchronized with your preferred format. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort, and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long drives while tweaking settings. I put a link in the description along with other deals for easy shopping. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If you prefer speed, use the steering wheel controls to open the vehicle menu and choose clock or time settings, then adjust with the arrow keys. If your car supports automatic time sync via GPS or smartphone, enable it to avoid manual changes. For stubborn clock issues, try rebooting the infotainment system or performing a simple reset to clear glitches and restore accurate timekeeping across displays.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.